Guys, you know how much I love sunscreen and malalaman mo kung maganda yung product kapag napabili ka ulit. Girl, I purchased two in case nga maubusan na ako nito. And sobrang ganda talaga nito. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. So, this is the Hydra Shield UV Essence from J-Skin. And super affordable lang nito. This is from local brand. And malapit ko na talaga itong maubos, guys. Kaya bumili ako ng dalawa. And what I love about this one is that wala siyang white cast. And hindi siya sticky or heavy sa face. And this is like ceramides para strengthen yung skin barrier. And also, this has niacinamide to help like brighten and lighten your dark spots. Also has this peptides para makatulong maging firm and supple yung skin mo. And look at that glowing, healthy looking skin. Like, wow. That's why I really love using this kasi hindi ka lang protected from the sun. Meron pa tong mga skincare benefits. And I purchased another two, guys. Ganun siya kaganda talaga. Kaya wag niyo talagang skip yung sunscreen.